Hello guys, this is me, Marcos Ezequiel Estepos, and today we are opening this. This is my birthday today, November 2. Now, ako sinabi ko. Thank you.
Ano yan? Blackpink? Wala.
Yes. Time for this. Thank you and giving gift.
Gift number 1.
Gift number 1 is this and this.
Lalagyan na. Gift number 2.
Kanina po. Kanina po. Ano daw po this?
I don't expect this.
Okay,
Look, about color.
What's even this? Hindi ko alam na ito eh. I got a new watch and it's color red. My old one is blue but like this better. Ikip ko to.
Taga-taga.
This one. This.
Number 3.
natin.
That's number 3.
Yes. Number 3. Ang laki niya. Kapapit niya.
Gift number 3. Show mo muna gift number 3.
Ito yung hindi ko ano. Ito yung gift guys.
Show mo gift number 3.
This is gift number 2. Diba?
Dati na may
Oh, kanina to.
gift number 4. No. Ginging pa din yan.
Giging pa din.
Papain.
Ginging pa din yan. Hindi nakalagay nanay tatay doon.
Yes!
Hindi nakalagay nanay tatay.
Yes. So, yung pakita ko na yun.
So, that's your fourth? Fourth na ba?
Paul. Paul.
Look how many gifts do you have.
Okay. Tanggalin na din natin mga.
Show!
This is guys. Okay na.
No. Show mo na.
Ito guys.
Mahirap yun.
Lang ganun.
No, mahirap na. Saka muna. Mahirap na. Kunting yan.
Okay.
Open mo na ng other one.
I cannot open it up but I really want to open it. Yes. Gidola.
That's ginging.
Oh, we got the sample eh.
Show it.
But I really want to open this. Ginawa lang ba pag ganito? Dapat yan ito nila eh. Okay?
Show mo muna ito na. Yung vlog mo, oh. Show mo muna ito.
Guys, this one. Ito, kapit pa. Hirap din kapit ito. Kapit pa.
Help ka kay ginging mo na.
Ganito. Anik. That.
Oh, that's your...
Tartar sauce, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ano yun ito? Now I can open this.
That's... Nana yung tatay. Nana yung tatay yan.
Yes. Yes. This is so big.
So, thank you.
I'm better than you.
Next.
Next. Yan na yan naman.
That's 6th gift, no? For 7th gift. That's daddy's.
Daddy. Alam ko. Hello, Dad. Kailangan ko sa dati eh. Hindi naman alam ni Dati na ano, na pinabili ko pa siya.
Kilalang yan, Terano doon.
Show.
Hello, Dad. Let it go. There's no Dad and he doesn't know Dad.
Kailan si Batman?
But,
Ikaw na kayo. Ano to? Oh.
Ano?
Oh, ito.
Hindi pagkatapos ni Miguel.
Ate, si Mecha Godzilla.
Daddy, I want mommy Godzilla. Mommy, I want mommy Godzilla. Here's Daddy. There's a mommy Godzilla.
You can open the mouth. Ang pen kita tayo.
So, dito yung kay mama at dito yung mama. Ito mama.
Ito yung kay Mami. Okay, paano ko naman ma-open ko?
Baka masira ko ha.
Okay.
Saka doon nakatingin pero kumurot na.
So, guys, I got the Mecha. The Mecha Godzilla. Okay, it still has tape, but I'm gonna take that out. Try natin itanggal ang tape. Okay, I cannot now take it. Wait lang guys. There's the Shin Godzilla. Dapat ito mo While Mama is doing that, I will open this. Pink and up. This is another. Yes, another. The other one. And now
Pwede din sumuksan.
pwede na yun.
Hindi, no. In front.
Looks like. Open ko ba to? So, open na ba?
No. Mamaya na lang ulo.
Open.
Kasi, magbabay ka na.
Bye-bye.
Steam rice.